Hello, my name is Peter Desjardins. I'm with Remote Camera Technology, a company based in Montreal, Canada, at InfoComm 2026, showing our pan bar system for PTZ camera control. This controls cameras by position instead of by a joystick. So you can see it's operating the camera like a real ENG camera, controlling a Panasonic UE160 up on the tower here. So it's moving it, following my movement here. We control cameras from Panasonic, Sony, and Canon. And we have a new product coming out here that's similar, but it has Stream Deck modules built in. And it's a Windows 11 platform. So with this, you can configure anything you want using the Stream Deck modules, so 3 of them here. So it's a similar function. I've got the BitFocus Companion pre-installed, so you can do all your configuration here. And it's a pretty cool solution. So again, the name is Peter Desjardins with Remote Camera Technology. The website is remotecamratech.com. We're a Canadian company at InfoComm 2026, and we thank rAVe for this video.